Hello! Today, I'm here to offer guidance and support as you gear up to sell your home. Together, let's explore vital steps to make your home appealing to buyers. Starting off, I always recommend a thorough pre-sale home inspection. Think of it as your home's personal health assessment, identifying any spots that need care, ensuring that we can perfect every detail before the first potential buyer crosses the threshold. With a pre-sale inspection, you'll have the insight to make necessary fixes in advance, setting the stage for a successful open house. Next, let's focus on decluttering and deep cleaning. Packing away those items you don't use daily, like bulky kitchen appliances and seasonal clothing or decor, not only frees up space but also allows buyers to envision their own lives here. Find a spot for them out of sight, maybe in storage or organized in your basement or garage. Then, it's time for a thorough cleaning. Sparkling windows, spotless carpets, and dust-free surfaces will make every room in your home gleam invitingly. It is wise to anticipate potential updates and their cost for your home, such as replacing a dated roof or updating well-trodden carpets. By obtaining estimates for these significant upgrades in advance, even if you're not planning to undertake them yourself, you equip potential buyers with clear expectations and demonstrate transparency. This forethought can also prove invaluable during the negotiation phase, as it allows for a straightforward discussion about the home's value and any necessary future investments. Make sure to collect and organize all warranties, guarantees, and instruction manuals for your home appliances and systems. Taking care of this detail now not only showcases your diligence but also ensures a smooth transition and prevents any hiccups when it's time to hand over the keys. Let's focus on the exterior charm of your home, the all-important curb appeal. This is the first encounter potential buyers have with your property, and you want it to be love at first sight. Imagine you're seeing your home for the first time through a buyer's eyes. Is your lawn lush and trim? Are the bushes and flowers neatly pruned? Can you spot the house number easily? Look at the path leading to your door. Ensure it's inviting, well-maintained, and obstacle-free. Attention to these details can dramatically lift your home's perceived value and warmly welcome visitors, setting the stage for a positive showing. Selling your home is more than a transaction. It's a new chapter for both you and the home's future family. Together, we can make this transaction as smooth as possible. So when you're ready to take the next step, reach out. Let's make your home's first impression a lasting one.